I think I just made the most moist, delicious pistachio cake, topped with some pistachio ice cream, and you're in dessert heaven. Don't you love cakes that only requires a hand whisk? You're gonna start with 2 extra large eggs, add the powdered sugar and whisk. And for a super moist cake, I add half oil, half butter. I flavor with vanilla extract. Add half a cup of 100% pistachio paste. Mix and add more flavor with rose water. Mix and add your dry ingredients, baking powder, baking soda. Here I have a mix of all-purpose flour, cake flour, and pistachio pudding. Mix well and add to the batter. Add the last ingredient, sour cream or buttermilk. Bake in a well-greased loaf pan. Bake for 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. I garnish with figs. Serve with pistachio ice cream. It is bursting with pistachio flavor. Give it a try. I really hope you like it. Recipe is in the description box.